guys, and welcome back to another product video review. Today we're going to do a look at a keyboard. And you're thinking, a keyboard? You just got your Allure keyboard, right? Yeah, and I did just get my Allure keyboard. But you guys know I am a huge Cobra 707/eBlues company user. I'm also a fan of the ONN series keyboards from Walmart. Yes, I know they're crappy and they're cheap, they're like $5 to $8. You can get them for $5 in the clearance bucket or $8 off the shelf. But they work in a pinch and they work with everything: Mac, laptops, PC. Fuck, I've seen some people use an adapter and use them on their smartphones and various other things. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to put these down real quick. Now, I'm going to move the tripod. Sorry about this, guys. I know this is my setup. I'm watching a little bit of Real Time with Bill Maher. But as you can see, guys, yes, my desk is cluttered right now. Here's my eBlue Cobra headset. I'll put that over there. I've got to get me that sick mannequin head. Now, what's in the box, basically? Open up the little packaging here, pull up tabs, and we have, ta-da, a keyboard. Get a little bag of replaceable keys, which is always good. Replaceable keys are always good. It is a USB 2.0 interface. Bubble wrap, nice. You also get some of their paraphernalia, and that's pretty much it. The box is a light cardboard, you know, it's durable, but it's still cardboard. You've got a little bit of information on the back, nothing much. That's what I think of boxes, you know this, guys. We got a user guide. For some reason we've got two of them. Don't know why we've got two user guides. Are they the same? If they're the same, I can throw one away. No, they're not. One explains the wait, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. Wow, freebie. There we go. Let's see, requirement for the system hardware. Main features: a blue illumination light indicator, convertible keycap, adjustable stands, high performance wear resistance foot pedals, internally installed steel plate. Now, you guys know that I have destroyed keyboards with various tools at my means, and unfortunately my newest tools at my means, or my old tool I should say, I can't find. Then here it is. That would be this sucker. That's my K-bar. Yes, I have stabbed a keyboard to death out of rage. No, I will not stab a keyboard out of rage unless this video gets like 100,000 views and like 100,000 likes. Then I'll probably buy a keyboard and stab it to death for you guys. I also picked me up some G-Skill tri-channel memory. This is specifically for Intel i7 X58 platforms. That's what I'm running. I know it's an older platform, but it's still a viable platform. And that's just it. Technical specifications, maximum temperature, blah, 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 blah. Comes in this really crappy bubble wrap. The cord's pretty heavy. I know it's like, whoa, it's a USB. Yeah, but still, some USB cords are pretty flimsy. That sucker is pretty heavy. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide the cord out. That's what she said. We're going to look at the back first. You got your typical crappy silver sticker with your serial number covering one of the screw holes so you can't get into it. The bottom feet are rubber. Oh, the top feet? No, the top feet are that crappy double stage plastic. This shit is flimsy as fuck, pardon my French, and they will break the moment you get angry and bash your fucking table. You don't even have to hit the keyboard, they will break. That's why I hate those. But it does have secondary rubber feet on the sides here. Nice play to you. I'm going to flip her over, lay it down. It's got a built-in wrist rest. Keys aren't, they're loud, but they're not that loud. Really nice, decent size enter key, really nice, decent size backspace key. That's one of the things I hate about certain keyboards. They make sacrifices by making either the enter key so goddamn tiny or the backspace key so goddamn tiny, you know, and that's not here at all. There is no other audio jacks or anything, so you can't plug in a headset that I can see. No, can't plug in a headset or anything, so you're gonna have to still plug in your headset separately. Little freaking twisty ties. I hate twisty ties. I hate twisty ties. Twisty ties are gonna be the bane of my existence. Watch. Twisty ties are gonna be the fall of mankind. There's gonna be an action movie where a hero has to deal with a twisty tie, and he's got like 5 seconds left, and boom, oops, sorry, nuke went off. Ha ha ha. Okay, so now we're gonna plug it in. So excuse the walk by. Gotta find a free USB. Okay, there we go. And that's her lit up for the first time, guys. Now normally there's like a function key that you can use to turn on the LEDs. They do have this plastic stuff covering this. What is it with companies are making everything shiny plastic? It's not like it's going to live that long to be shiny, you know, because you're constantly putting your wrists there. Drivers installed pretty goddamn quick. It's just a standard USB composite device, so there's no specific drivers or anything. No macro key functions as far as I can see, but it does come with the pre-textured WD, WASD and arrow keys. Now back in the day I used to be a huge PC gamer that I would use my left hand on these 3 little arrow keys and then have to literally do this to make my character jump, because I was not convinced that WASD was a natural hand placement for me because I'm left-handed, until my friend Bucky, thank you Bucky, literally smacked me in the back of the head, took my keyboard away, redid all my key bindings, handed me back the keyboard and said play, and he forced me to play with WASD, and now I've never looked back. I've never looked back at the arrow keys. But it's nice to know that the arrow keys are also textured as well, and as I said before, you get a nice little baggie of spare keys, you know, which is really good. The keys look really nice and thick. I mean, there's a little bit of wiggle in them. Let me go freehand for that. I'll show it to you what I'm talking about. Key wiggle is where you look at the key itself and you can wiggle it before it actually depresses. Do you see? That's also known as key wiggle. Here, I'll do it over here. You can see how bad the key wiggle is on this one. Let's take a look at this this little on keyboard. This keyboard is still plugged in, by the way, but here we go. We'll do it to this little. You can see, there you go. Do you see the key wiggle? That's through years of abuse. I've had that on keyboard for about 4 years now. So there's a little bit of key wiggle here. There are various ways you can fix the key wiggle. You can get O-rings, find the appropriate size O-ring and O-ring your keys that you constantly are going to be using. For example, if you're playing Battlefield or Call of Duty, you're going to be using Q, WE, ASD, ZXC. You know, you're going to be using these nine keys majority with the spacebar. There's a little bit of play in the spacebar, as you can see, a little bit. I'm just running my finger across. I'm not depressing it. See, now I'm depressing it. Now I'm not. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? I'm talking about what's known as finger roll. Mechanical switches claim that there is no finger roll. I have seen some sorry about the lack of focus. I have seen some mechanical keyboards that do have finger roll. I'm going to readjust you real quick. Hi guys. That's my ugly face. So, this damn tripod, it's going to be death. There we go. And so, I'm a huge Cobra fan, hence the name Deceptive Cobras, but most importantly now I have a Cobra keyboard. I will be using it in today's live stream at 2 o'clock. And I have my Cobra headset. See the Cobra logo. So yeah, I'm a huge Cobra fan. I like the company. Problem is the company's website is like trying to find rocking horse shit. For some reason you can never find their website in time. Anyway guys, I've taken up too much of your time. The keyboard retails for $29.99 on eBay, Amazon, and various other places. The price is the same. You may get it for a couple of cents here or there, or maybe $1 or $2 off here or there, but it's majority $30. For a $30 keyboard, I'm going to compare it to the Allure here real quick. Reason why I am not using the Allure keyboard anymore is the space bar. The space bar, as you can see, unless I hit it dead center, will not work. See? Sides, sides. Why? The underwire. This is one of the things I hate about non-mechanical about keyboards. Is underneath your spacebar, you got this little metal butcher's hook, as I call it, and it clicks into little tabs. And if those tabs break on your spacebar, like it has on this one, as you can see, it's broken. You will literally have to press the spacebar dead center in order for your spacebar to work. Now, as far as I know, Allure does not do replacement keys. But I'm going to contact them and see if they will. If they will do replacement keys, I'm going to have them send me a new spacebar and I'll go back to my Allure. But for now, move over Allure. Cobra's in the house. Cobra's in the house. And as you can see here, do you see what I'm saying now? It doesn't matter where you press the spacebar. She is golden. Anyway guys, I've taken up too much of your time. My name is Deceptive Cobra. You have just been filled in. And I'll see you in my stream. Where to stay safe, have fun, keep your shots flying, keep your enemies dying. Your Cobra Commander is out this product review. Wandering around. Of course, biggest weakness is the upper chassis, with it only being 16mm. So you got to be careful of artillery. Even light artillery will wreck you. You have to be careful of HE as well, because HE will wreck you. This isn't spaced armor, unfortunately. So don't give your opponents your sides if you can't, if you can't help it. Same as the turret. Turret's not really that strong, but it does have some sort of angling to it, 25-degree angling. So, unless you're going down the hill with,